GoPro failed now. Hello guys, so this is pretty much the leaks already that we have, this photo over here. You guys can see the Mavic Mini has a combo, and you can see the battery, you can see the charging hub, and you can also see the propellers guards, and you can also see the lunch bag, lunch box. Anyway, yeah, so the controller, I'm actually right, I predicted it. They're gonna be using the Mavic Air controller, I would say, and they just paint it different color. You can see it look like it kind of have this gray look to it. It's kind of like a flat color, but like gray. So that's gonna be awesome, something different. And yeah, man, I can't wait. Yeah, so hopefully this Mavic Mini has an obstacle avoidance. It'd be really interesting. It'd be really awesome. But we just want to know the prediction of this price here that you guys can see. Hopefully it's not gonna be too much. And you can see in the back, they already put like the way the battery is, you have to get DJI battery. I think the reason why they're doing that because of safety. So you get 3 batteries, you get the charging hub, that's also to go like a power bank, and you get the propellers and the controller and the lunchbox. So that's pretty good. So we just want to know how much is this thing gonna cost. It's gonna be an awesome year for all of us. Like I said, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna be all taking this to for Christmas, New Year. You know, we just want to share it. It's tiny. It's enough for, you know, for your family members, especially when you guys doing a group photo, group video from the sky, you know, like a droning style, something like that. And it's gonna be awesome, man. I'm just super excited, and I just can't wait. How much it exactly really costs, because right now this look like a combo, and like I think it'd be better if DJI put that as a 450, or I don't know if they're gonna do it for 499. I'm not even sure, but you know, like I said, it's a win-win situation. You're gonna have 30 minutes flight time. You're not gonna have like 15 minutes flight time on this little drone. So even though you just buy the drone itself and then you decided to get the controller later on, like, you know how the Spark, when it comes with the combo and it comes with just buying the Spark, either way, you know, you're gonna have, you know, so much fun with it. So you are gonna lose some if you're not using the controller, you are going to use you're gonna lose some I call this range, sport mode, but hopefully it has a sport mode to it. And because I know if you use a DJI Spark or Mavic Air, if you're just using the controller, the sport mode is not activated. So to get activated, you have to use the controller, the transmitter. And hopefully it comes with I call it comes with obstacle avoidance. But if it's not, then it's understandable. It's a tiny little drone anyway. So, but like I said, it would be better if DJI add some obstacle avoidance in the front. I mean, there's really no point having a hole in the front and then you're not gonna fill it up with something, right? Especially with DJI, and they're not no knockoff company. So hopefully they will add some obstacle avoidance in the front, and of course in the bottom we already seen obstacle avoidance. But I'm still curious about the rear. It looked like they have a little slot on the back of the Mavic Mini, like you see over here with the, I'm gonna go ahead and go show it to you for a minute here. See the Mavic Pro 2, you have that camera in the back. But it'd be nice if the Mavic Mini has the obstacle avoidance on this edge right here. Then it will be interesting. It's something different that we haven't seen on the small drone on this category size. So yes, I'm super excited. Like I said, I finally got my prediction right on that. You know, and I know they're gonna use the DJI controller. It's no brainer. It's just easy to carry. And Christmas is coming, holidays is coming, Thanksgiving, and we're gonna have New Year Eve, New Year, and we just want to go out and go ahead and fly this thing out there. You know, not get yourself in trouble. And I think it's the way to go. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.